Akwasinsia mayor why crado akodi Easter no aba emu de nyina emu anigye nyina Brante new free hwadwo Basi bibi abokode
ah mejo so sije
say ye
na metia sia ajenkwa awu asore dia maye die na sama enida so na me wo se ogidini no SCP awie peyo
Osofo Kingsley Apiaje no te sen
nyame adom ne ho ye pa one na yire Mrs Reverend Mrs Cynthia
o metra hakranchi a omoda
se
o metra hakran so mi chia me sofo o mpesa sofo adwen be ba wo so se na
oh no so esa dia se o ma to se bia bokode ya tu ko unibi
Debi o
ade
oh ya someone am ko
man ko bi
za
man ko bi
I see well se bibia boko
nyame amaka se bibia boko na eja ensem na okrum
ensem de bi okrum
ensem bebre okrum ensem okrum pa but ni nyina ye be wie peyo e be wie ye e de ma obia
right
ade na ekoso
oh so
achiri bi o
oze
am kas bi achiri bi won sem
debi am de na me de ma o
any since gada so
kasi adio
this what to be chocolate so wundi
we be numbers ni nyina numbers no e bo no we be baby ya fa rubo huya mobo
ayo easy adio efa okay ba fa daily graphic
yanko
usana no kwa wasem yai mampani his excellency John Dramani mama and penny for kwawu e ko jbadi e fe no kwawu business forum
yeah
amakopa ahontuma se ebeboa magana ankrakra nyibeku no etimi asore gina na so ye pa na aboa sere be ya omam se benya businessmen omye kakra wo monsem eye so na omatimi aboa mama nchechire ne pe no etimi awie peyo tuhwem se empenfo se ye de banks be se num kra na esu won mu a support ama business be etimi agina na so ye pa
somebody say next year banks need be crown so be there about yeah
I think spearheaded by the chief of staff Julius Debra
yeah dear pa
himself yes a good initiative a good initiative
which should be replicated in other in other regions yeah na me kan ha say man kwa nku other regions and other tribes and they should learn na yehunu you know say woman so nyuma for ana say businessmen and women
no media there be make us the papa so papa but I always say this is not the first time as a nation we are thinking like this but I want to believe that this will be the first time we are going to act right and according to our writings ya train cinema we be we books even no core business class crab be who san create we nyina wom the private sector is the engine of growth the private sector is the engine of growth but making it a reality and a challenge the amaye as on mine who said naturally enye aban per se ye Ghana for nankasa ye mkrofo a ye mpeye yo ye pese ni pabeba fombre
enkenka ya mkrofo ya hu se bibini abi adwuma
yes ade de ma broni aye no Ghana ni okay ya de krona ma ni nua Ghana ni ana odi hu ya
don't mean
me se eye beye ene hombone ba ko a o sa sofo ni jampa ye bi o mu bo bia anom do mo ni sampa ye no so tika Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ne eyi aglo foi enye mpenfo de bo eye su ni ban a abehye ye ma eye spirit o se ye bompa ye etutu di free mu because je amaya hodo a edi no enye oman ne na ama oman edi oman ne e wo platform wona bedi ye no eye ankrankran na e wo nimde na e de chichire businesses but ye obeye business kakrem no nya how ba ku mi ni pe ye nsem twefo so ka me ma me nka me nyi kra hu nkwa frim ye ka hu bi ene egu amafo businesses wo man mu ene wa ntwia ne tax Eti abanguno forget say abanguno enkofo na ekwa akotena fie.
Yeah.
And I always say this at CJ. I always say Elon Musk. Dangote, they are doing things 100% in their country.
Debbie, I'm one from so.
So how are their government able to cover them?
On say question.
Yeah, can't say be only partner boni. I can't boni.
Debbie,
yeah, correct no.
But creating that environment, a bit me ama private businessmen and women. Wama juma me akoso. And only there, o me imu hano. Yanyene ho.
Debbie. Ya kan ya no keke.
Yanyene ho.
Ya no.
Sebroni di adwuma fiama no na ba. The sort of incentives e de be ma no. The tax waivers ne niam e de be ma no. Enso so sika obenya no man mu nyina. Wo ma ne mu so a.
O de ko ne krom.
Wo de ko. Entina da bia no yen businessmen and women in there. So amane ni ambre kakra.
Sije me say e krom ha. So your business. Na wa dwe so ne aban be call pepe pa business be ku. Because environment no any business friendly. Your environment na your operating business no any business friendly. And the businessmen be one more they are forced to pay their way through our political class. But jakadi na FSA ko se jamo mi ko so kuma bi. Na kama aban emwa. And na president mama kasa. Ni sukra tata no. Se o make kra force nkoko $400 million every year. And yes, I can't mu. Sika no konkro for maso. And says sika we halmwa. I wish say yentimi ka Ghana for back you be emum and put up that same venture.
Yanye, kwazi. Yanye.
MPP ni baba. Ni asiesie no na NDC ni aba ni abegu ni apagya NDC ni na MPP NDC ko na MPP aba ni abegu NDC ni apagya MPP. So you ask yourself say what kind of country ni are building? How can we build a country with this mindset? And the China, they are propelling about 50 billionaires from now to 2027. China is building 50 millionaires or billionaires. And now make yes, no single Ghanaian owned business in this country. Yeah, worth $5 billion.
Which is sad.
There's no single Ghanaian business. Yeah, worth $5 billion. Oh man, better ye. A better unemployment and when Dangote and the rest are building over $100 billion in businesses. There's no single one Ghanaian owned business. Yes, in the worth $5 billion. It's sad.
I pray.
Sebeye. Nampen for so dia show monsano. And fa among yourself and con. Because me the focus of CJ. The things we complain about no. And them the campaign on one. Yeah, the campaign from Kwame Nkrumah person. And say that be seen there. And you made the campaign from Kwame Nkrumah and one the campaign be seen there.
Adwuma ni ho. Adwuma sem.
And one the campaign. E be seen there.
Dem apomuden ho nsem. Ye school sem. Ahunidie ho nsem. We kra de galamsey so kra here.
Jim FM.
Say, omo ni baby na say, ya kan Nkrumah de na cheti. Ye fa wo from bra.
Ye pa ba ku bi me de me frem na ye de ba ku bi.
Dio.
Update no na ye de ba ku.
Ebe ba. Ora Julius Debra.
Yemona baso.
Yo gidi omu.
Yemona baso.
Ese wa ba bedu nsem no.
Chief of staff.
Enya dia ebe ka osa.
Yeah.
Yemua Ghana businessmen no. Yemua mu no mu yedi na Ghana yedi. So many timi tumpon ni enya Dangote be se mienu miense o man mu a. Menim de enti o se Ghana ban to ne bottom sika ni support Black Stars. When Dangote was given a whole Super Eagles to take care of some form of a World Cup. Ba ye na anye ye. We get to a time na no aye say Konfanochi me fa videos in my own. And now Konfanochi yes. See you want baby yes Konfanochi amana kwa.
Yeah.
Bradinya me. Abanka pre ni mo.
Me say me hu me so.
Abanka pre one person say.
What?
Enim. Ghana abanka pre nim. Ye Ghana for ya o.
Say e ka say e be ya. Na yeyi otan. Yeyi pull him down. ye krono efri ye mu a ye be yo
say konfa noche
Ibetimi
I want me send video na ma ayi ayiwa na ayiwa de atoso no obi atimi nya bi ahwe hwe said yes 20 Ghana 250 Ghana and they say common and na me ye api be na say e bia na gama nchanya nwen ho a ade sere se bi entina radio so entu na nafo de but mesre so musumi enka humum kolebu ye betimi ayama na bro so say ye won nipa over 5 million wo enkran assume you that admit say emu 2 million every month you mat 20 Ghana. Uniska yenya.
Yes,
40 million Ghana cedis every month. 20 Ghana. 20 Ghana every month. It takes 5 years and a year. A year $12.5 million. A bit me sisi kolebu.
Yeah.
Me say confirm a bank pre omukemwa one floor $800,000.
Share floors ni na
Yes.
adwuma o maye.
Where you bet me kolebu. Besisi
Yeah.
nipa 2 million. Obian first and say every month. Obama 20 Ghana. Near first kolebu. Every month, you 40 million Ghana cedis, which is $2.5 million.
Yeah.
Every month. You may have 5 months. 20 cedis so. You may have 5 months. You bet me raise about $10 million at the CSA kolebu.
Yeah.
Abra ye here a buy one person.
Yehia broni bia.
Yehia obia o.
Broni bia bosia.
As one because 20 cities on you 200 Ghana. 20 cities bosumi bia. Bosumi bia o. CJ, me say akwese be 20 Ghana bosumi bia for bosumi num. Ni enyi ni pa 2 million. Say to me say kolebu.
Was yan kwanim?
34 police commanders reshuffled in Galamsey areas.
A good move.
Yes.
A good move.
The papa.
Yeah.
The papa mono.
A good move.
The papa mono. IGP ayade.
Yeah.
Papa so buy no. Obo adwuma. Obo adwuma.
Pa.
Obo adwuma papa. Na no na mo tu na otu oboko na manfo bi entiase. Bada bia mpedifo ka so otie kire ho okon no nkon. Ayesa da meto.
Ya wugina mu a. Na
Da meto no otie ase a unhuru papa unhuru.
Debi.
O kire kire ja unhuru bia hwe nyina wo. One call from one more, on 10 year IGP and I say, so for 21 years from my police, no, on just what you say now, working kind book, and your book as a mo. Near Kosu book, and your book. Or listen and I say,
near the one, until only the answer wabana or twas,
Nina say, Nina Nakranyo, and this and an account. Nina not from quite a bona man, say, you know, what go for, but was I say, Nina not say. To teach I won't teach here. Ora teacher you no koso ye wadwuma.
Ye mona baso.
Yes, ye wadwuma. Tell them na bampen for Minister of Interior. Mun ta na chi. Dr. Edromane Boamamu, mu fasra for intech. Ni masum bi mra boko. Ebi na wa hya so ayi.
Yeah.
Ade ba ko a.
Commanders no matra. Wa matra wa che edidi Galamsey sika ko ma no atum makwaye ni nsuansu ahodo essay
Na commander to ne etime tu Galamsey fa police station wachi not as to office.
Me say ukọ wasa japa baby a baby a police station no ewo kwan ho pɛ so police station no anim ha wo ma ye checkpoint wo ho na chi police station na chi anya say me say ho nyina ya di ho nyina ana police station isi kwan no we do one pa na police for ni gida ho mo check cars na Galamsey for no so egu wura mu ho police station na chi
Nkoko ni etu Galamsey amana be pie ka kwam na e wo police commander no rasoto
omo nyina nko
na so be ka chem say ahemfo na mmoa ono police na di tumi ahye ne nsa say won chiri nkrofo ni pa bonisam no.
The new forestry commission boss ono so ntu sa na mo no
okay ni nkrofo no
regional directors ne mom keke count district directors ne ade nyina yarishafo omo nyina yarishafo omo nyina
ene ne so anso ne kese pa akonta mining license revoked
and minister sun and minister sun Honorable Emmanuel Amakufiboa. Edumano enafam. Edumano enafam. Na Ghana ha your problem. say mining company betimi enya that audacity no e kwaye no eda ho no waje kwaye no aboso e no no twitwa kwaye no eton eje 300,000 eje hu gold na abanti ho na no ahemfu nyina ho na security agencies nyina ho na forestry fo nyina ho and I will twitwa forest no eton 300,000 because young contract na asofo opuniaba
the Ghanaian Times the wakata enso enie kwa wusa sem na dada so one mampani echemu se they are turning the corner nti Ghana ni bienya areshemu when it comes to our business front we are turning the corner sounds na Pope nso da form Pope nso da form Pope da form sene mpani se jabi wo jabi tias na sem no ka say we are about 252 Catholic cardinals but emu 135 per and won kwanya so metimi ato abade yi the next pope na nchichemu ni Europe ebetimi nipa 53 Asia 23 Latin America 21 Africa 18 North America 16 Oceania 4
Sana nchichemu no
TNT out of the 135 cardinals na ebetimi yi the next pope no say na countries no mutumi to aba no say no munchemu no etie Europe nkwan 53 cardinals na be free Europe abeto saba no
but say ban so ni edin be ye
so far 8 yeah
and
we so far didn't able to say who rate here and the last time we me rate say Peter Cardinal Texan be 4 out of the 8 no the possible omo metimi the next pope no omo ranking around be number 4
but them said this time around Basoro because let's know me who you know na ono ni din and edi kind 76 years or you Ghanaian in fact I don't know if he would be the first black pope.
I think so.
Because I was...
Who share numbers where they are?
Yeah.
Or because and that's winning. Who share numbers when they got to abandon there? That's what I'm better according to how they believe and trust their own nations there and our continent there. Because and that's winning. But Nyamishen when Munyam.
And Paibon say at the time.
Yes. Now on your first person.
Yeah.
No, be any nase Ghana ni bakufiana bit me could do some pempes. Against all odds. But Nyamishen when Munyam Edmu could do Savia Pempen Secasian. Eti Peter Texas so. Nyameka sa. Obet me could do some pempen so. Then Munyam said the be mine. And you want the amount my Ghana. And Munyam said the amount of bushia. And ye bush a cra of frimo. It's your vampire one tragedy.
Because the top 8 no na ka ho Cardinal Louis Antonio Tagle. Ono former Archbishop of Manila 67 years.
Okay.
Ono susu din ka ho sanso na Pietro Parolin 70 years. Cardinal Secretary of the State of the Pope. Ono susu din ka ho. And Peter Edo ono so 72 years. Archbishop of Budapest. Ono so edin ka ho na. Okay. Jose Tolentino ono so din now he's the youngest. Jose Tolentino no 59 years.
Okay.
Ono yet the youngest cra ona onyi ndru baby the youngest candidate to Portuguese. And Matteo Zuppi 69 years, Archbishop of Bologna. Ono so edin kahumbi. And Mario Grech 68 years, former Bishop of Gozo. Ono so din kahum ebi. Enti yamfa seda yamfa paibo enter Bishop Texan Echi.
Na no fa my Ghana enusa na abakubu ye krata no way nyewe esi mamenko
akrata me
afaso